Before I get today's video started, I want to talk about what happened about maybe 5 minutes ago. I was coming down to the park to make the video and give Kitt a walks around. Well, in order for me to get here, I have to go through some S-curves. Very sharp S-curves. And there was a wide load coming down, and what happened was you had a red truck with a sign on it that says wide load, stopping the traffic, so nobody go through the S-curves because it's gonna have to take up the whole road. Well, there was this guy in his gray truck pulled right up yonder there, and he's like, I just live up that way, let me through. And the guy's like, I'm sorry sir, I can't, we got that wide load in the S-curves now, and he'd be through, just give it time, have patience please. And the guy starts back pulling his truck up, yelling curse words at the guy that had the sign with the wide load on it. Oh my god. Then the guy in the gray truck took around, drove through somebody's yard, and drove on up the road. I don't know what happened when the wide load was coming down. I don't know. But my god, the nerve of some people. Okay, now let's get this video started. I didn't explain that thoroughly, but it was enough to make me take notice. Where am I today? Yeah, I'm at Waterway Park. You know the park that makes him sick? Yeah, that park. Now, I did say I was going to come back, but probably only walk the road, but I'm not in the road. That's because I think I know what's making my puppy sick over here. That's right. And I do have you guys to thank for it too. I had one of my subscribers say, could they be spraying stuff over here? Well, I was over here the other day, and it was right after I got that comment, I decided, well, wait a minute. The guy's mowing grass over there, the city is. Why don't I go over there and ask him? And then when I asked him, he says, no, they don't spray over here. When I asked him, I was like, you know what? Let's keep you on the road, Kitt. Let's walk around and maybe get an idea. And now another comment I had was, could it be something, you know, a plant or maybe a different weed? Well, it's close to that, guys. I will show you what's making him sick, and I'll tell you how he's eating them. But we can't get too close to it. That tree right there, we don't want to get too close to, because that tree has blackberries coming from it. And they're all over the ground over here. Oh shoot, they're all over that picnic table too. Over this way, Bubby. Okay, I want to get close and show you guys, but Kitt will eat one in a second. And I think that might be what's making him sick. Yeah, let me tell you why I think that's making him sick. And by the way, I do believe the boat dock is open for business. They have campers in there now. Remember me telling you this, okay? Remember this spot right here. Now you see all the little blackberries right over here? Let me choke up on your leash. Okay, make sure none. Okay, let's see. You can barely see them because cars drive through them, but let me get close to it. Kitt, you can't get near them. But all these little blackberries, they're all coming from that tree. And this grass, I will guarantee, as a matter of fact, I know it, it's loaded with these blackberries. And whenever Kitt and I walk around here, I mean, shoot, look at the picnic table. But whenever Kitt and I do our laps around here, I usually stop at least once or twice right here so he can get sniffers in that grass, which he's wanting to go there now, while I look at the boat dock behind me. Yes, when I'm up here, no Kitt, you can get in the grass there, baby. Down here, you should be okay. When I'm, dang, sorry about that, allergies. When I'm up here and I do laps, I like to get video footage of, well, not, oh my god, Mike. Okay, let me get my head out of my rump, and the next clip I should be okay. Amateur videos, dude. I know. Let's see if I can sound professional. Whenever I'm up here at times with Kitt, I like to stop at that point and let him get some sniffers in the grass while I turn around and I look and see the progress they've done on the boat dock. And while he's getting sniffers, he might be eating them blackberries. Now, how do I know that's what's making him sick? I don't know for sure. I mean, I had him here the other day. He didn't get sick. I got him here now, and we'll see if he gets sick. But I can't tell you what I do know. of the fall time, this never happened to Stormy, but this past fall we have a lot of them little berries that fall in my driveway from one of our trees. It only happens in the fall, and Kitt has eaten a few, and yes, it made him throw up a couple hours later. I totally forgot all about that. When I made that video the other day, this park might be making my puppy sick, I totally forgot all about berries. Because when I'm walking, yes, I notice a lot of things, obviously, but I don't really pay attention to berries on the ground. I should, especially since I know they made him sick back in the fall, but I didn't. And not to mention, this park is super clean. Yes, you do have some landmines. And yes, the other day when I was over here with Kitt, there was a guy had a dog. His dog took a poo and he just walked off. But what can you do? I mean, I'm doing what my wife does. I'm giving reasons. Maybe the guy had a sore back. He wasn't able to bend over and pick it up. That's what something Angie would say, so that's what I'm thinking it. I'm not going to get myself all stressed because he did not pick up his poo. You know what? Oh well, I just got to watch where I walk. The only berry tree I know is the one at the corner down there. The rest of the trees seem to be fine. And if it is down there, if that's what's making him sick, I do stop there a lot. I mean, they've been building that boat dock way before we got Kitt. And yes, it is safe to say every time I'm down here, I stop there because I'm nosy. I'm very nosy. I stop and I'd be like, oh, well, they got that built. Oh, they put pavement on. Wow, they made places for the campers. So I'm nosy. I am. But what puzzles me about that is when the boat dock, yes, I told you this video is going to be all over the map today. Trust me. And it may be long to boot. On a side note, if I ever did get an inflatable boat, this would be one of the places I would be launching. And by the way, I'm not going to know if I'm going to get an inflatable boat or not until we rent out a rowboat at Versailles State Park and go out in that lake and see how well we do rowing with a puppy. Okay, when the boat docks first started building, the boat dock over yonder there. Okay, kid, I'm gonna let you in the grass. Let me double check. Pull my sunglasses up. We're good. But when they started building the boat dock over there, they wanted to lease out this park. Well, it went through a lot of things. Okay, Kitt, let's go over this way because that's where the guy let that dog poo at the other day. It went through a lot of things, and they wasn't allowed to do what they wanted to do here. But they said they was going to allow them to make a parking lot up yonder here. It's getting hot. Oh my God, it's humid. But it doesn't look like they're going to make a parking lot. I don't know. But it does appear they seem to be open. They only got like 3 boats down there. We'll show you all, but there's shrubbery. Oh, that wind. Yes. Oh, yes. I love wind. Remind me I said that when I bitch about it when I fish. Okay, Kitt, let me double check. You're good. Let's go in the grass. Now, if he doesn't get sick this time, I am going to somewhat think it could be the berries. But trial and error, we'll see. Because I love this place. It's one of the best places to walk a puppy and train a puppy. But anyway, this video is airing on a Monday, okay? That is the first, actually second day of my vacation. That's right, guys. When you see this video, I am on vacation. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get a couple videos ahead so I don't have to do no editing while I'm on vacation. Now see, if he picks up the Kitt, I'm trying to get you here. He picks up something, he can have it in his mouth less than a second. Oh, you heard something from the highway over there, didn't you? He perked up real quick on that one, didn't he? Hey, that'd make a good thumbnail. But yeah, I will be on vacation and I will stockpile the footage. I will be videoing on my vacation, but I'm not going to be doing no editing. So I shouldn't miss any of my days, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. but just in case, you guys know why. But yeah, this video, and I got 2 more to make, one for Wednesday and one for Friday, and that will cover my vacation. It ain't hard to do, because tomorrow, if everything looks well, my son and I are going out for him to take more pictures, and I can always get video footage in. We want to go to the covered bridge, but the problem with that is the main road going to the covered bridge right now is closed for repairs, so that's on the back burner. I don't know, maybe this won't be a long video, but guys, yes, I do believe it's the berries. I was making my puppy sick, and I had him over here the other day. He was fine. That's when I noticed the berries, and I want to thank you all for your feedback. Okay, thank you for suggesting it could be somebody spraying, and thank you, Justin. He's a long-time subscriber, I believe. He's the one that mentioned to me it could be a flower, a weed, some kind of plant, which he's kind of close to that because that's what a berry is. But I believe that's it. All right, guys, I'm going home because I've had too much sun. I was going to talk more and more and more and more and more and some more, but my God, that humidity and that heat. We got storms coming. The humidity right now is 88%. Yeah, temperature's low though. Temperature's only 81, but holy, that humidity kicks your butt. All right, guys, till next time, thanks for watching. Come on, let's get out of here. We'll see you in the next video.